Hi, I'm Dorothy Poole, Lead Information Developer for BMC Software. In this video, I will demonstrate how to create your BMC Atrium Orchestrator local users and roles in Remedy Single Sign-On, and show you how to assign users to a role. A local user represents an individual user who will access BMC Atrium Orchestrator. A role represents a role in your organization and is used to control user access to BMC Atrium Orchestrator components and content in the Role-Based Access, or RBAC, system.
Before you begin, install BMC Atrium Orchestrator Platform and Remedy Single Sign-On. You can install the embedded Remedy Single Sign-On version when you install the BAO Platform components, or you can install an external version of Remedy Single Sign-On. In a web browser, enter the Remedy Single Sign-On console URL and then log into it. For more information about how to access and log into the console, see the Remedy Single Sign-On wiki. You use the Local User Management area of the Remedy Single Sign-On console to manage local users and roles. In the console, click Local User Management. On the Users tab, you can add, modify, delete, and search for users. To access the tab, click Users. Now let's add a user. Provide your user information in the fields. In the username field, provide the user's full name. Add the user's login name in the login name field. In the password field, enter the user's password. Do not include spaces at the beginning or end of the password. You can use spaces between the first and last characters, but not at the beginning or end. Confirm the password. Add a description. Select Enabled to enable the user to log into Remedy SSO and BAO. When you are finished, click Add. The user appears in the list of users. You can edit the user information by clicking the Edit button. To delete a user, click the Delete button. To change a user's password, click Change Password. You can search for a user by entering search criteria in this field. For details on entering search criteria, refer to the Remedy Single Sign-On wiki. Next, let's create a role. Click Roles to open the Roles tab. Click Add Role. Provide the role information as follows. In the role name field, add the role name. Add a description of the role. Click Save. The role is added to the list of roles. You can edit roles using the Edit button. You can delete roles using the Delete button. You can search for roles by entering your search criteria in the Search field. After creating your users and roles, on the Roles tab, you can assign users to roles. To assign users to roles, locate the role that you want to assign users to and click Assign Remove Users in the Action column. In the Available Users column, select the users you want to assign to the role. Click Assign to move users to the Assigned User column. Note that you can remove users from a role by doing the reverse. Select users in the Assigned Users column and click Remove to move the users to the Available Users column. When you are done, click Done. Once you have created your users and roles, in BMC Atrium Orchestrator's Grid Manager and Repository Manager, you can assign access permissions to work with BAO components and content. For more information about permissions and assigning them to roles, see the Managing Permissions section of the BMC Atrium Orchestrator Platform Wiki. This concludes the Creating Users and Roles in Remedy SSO video. I hope that you found it helpful. Thank you.